Alright, so I arrived home from work today and I found this package. It was very interesting because one, it's not from Amazon, and two, it's addressed to me. And when looking at the return address, I see it's peak demand, but I know it's too small for the parts that I ordered. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so the first thing I see is a 1 pound bag of breakfast blend of Bottom Gun coffee. Very nice. And a 4-ounce package of Ahab's Revenge from Bottom Gun coffee. Also very nice. A nice X Factor coffee mug to go with my Ahab's Revenge and breakfast blend coffee from Bottom Gun coffee. Nice X Factor Day 1 P1 mug. And finally, a copy of I Have the Watch, signed by John Rennie. Also very nice, but also my second signed copy of I Have the Watch. So if you don't mind, John, I'll probably end up passing this on to somebody else so they can also become a better leader. So thank you to the X Factor podcast for this wonderful gift. To John, and the DFE, have a good night.